9.8 further trigonometric equation. We have cosecant, secant, and cotangent ratio. So actually in the trigonometric ratio, we have 6. So before this, we already learned 3. That is the tuakaso, tangent, sine, and cos. Okay, sine, cosine, tangent. Okay. In this section, you will learn about the other 3 ratio, which is cosecant, secant, and the cotangent. Okay, so we have the cosecant is 1 over sine, secant is 1 over cos, cotangent is 1 over tangent. Okay, and the cotangent we also call it cos over sine. Okay, so over here, this one is very easy to memorize. You just memorize that the one with cos, after find the reciprocal 1 over, don't have cos anymore. So the one without cos, after 1 over, then they will have cos. So 1 over sine, cosecant. 1 over cos, secant. 1 over tangent, cotangent. Over here, the cotangent is 1 over tangent. It's also so in a question, when you found that it have sine cos together with the cotangent, or we have the tangent and cotangent, then we will use the tangent theta is the sine theta over the cos theta. And then the cotangent theta will be the cos theta over the sine theta. Okay. So this two is very important. We will use this substitution in the exam very frequent. In the 9.6 there, okay, we have the sine square theta plus the cos square theta is equal to 1. So for this equation, okay, when all of this divide by the cos square theta, divide by the cos square theta, divide by the cos square theta, then sine over cos will be tangent square theta plus 1 equal to the secant square theta. Okay, so at the same time, I also have the sine square theta over the cos square theta here. So now if we divide by the sine square theta, so this one we divide by the sine square theta, and then sine square theta. Then sine over sine 1. Cos over sine is the cotangent square. Then this is the cosecant square theta. Okay, so we will have 3 equation here. So that 3 equation is what? Is the sine square plus cos square equal to 1. And then the tangent square plus 1 equal to the secant square. And the cotangent square plus 1 equal to the cosecant square. Okay, so these 3 we have to memorize. Okay, some students may find it difficult to memorize, but for me, I think it is easy. Okay, what I do is the first one, we have the sine square plus cos square equal to 1. Then the second one, we have the tangent square plus 1 equal to the secant square. So over here, this one tangent and secant don't have cos. And then we have the cotangent square plus 1 will be the cosecant square. Okay, so this is how I memorize. So the tangent plus 1 and the cotangent plus 1. So the one with cos mixed with the cos. The one without the cos mixed with the one without cos. So tangent square plus 1 is secant square, and then cotangent square plus 1 is the cosecant square. Okay. Over here, the sine square plus cos square equal to 1, tangent square plus 1 equal to secant square, cotangent square plus 1 equal to the cosecant square. And then we have the cosecant is 1 over sine, secant is 1 over cos, cotangent 1 over tangent, and then tangent is sine over cos, cotangent is cos over sine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8 identity we will use when we prove the trigonometry identity. Okay.